Welcome everyone. Today we're doing, I think I'm going to do this one, which will be the Mercedes-AMG Project 1. I'm going to save the F1 car for next week, but I plan to do that one because it looks cool. Of course, so does the F1 car, but that's sort of, all the F1 cars are, basically the same. Let's pop this open and see what I've got into. Never bought a double pack before, so I don't know how they package them up. I assume, yeah, 2 different books. And 4 bags and 2 sheets of stickers. And which one is which? This one's today's coat. So, and let's see, which bags am I keeping? 3 and 4 are the bags for this, and so 1 and 2 back in there. And we got our selection of rims as well. I'm assuming there's no rims on the F1 car. No, there's not. So, that's these 2 bags for this one, and the stickers and the rims. Put you back in there too, so keep everything in one place. But anyways, I'm gonna, how many steps is this one? 107 steps. That's a pretty short one, I think. But anyway, I'm gonna, as per usual, I'm gonna null it out and put it on at high speed and let you listen to some music while I assemble it. Alright, I'll talk to you again at the end. Okay, there we go. I don't even know what it's called again. AMG Project 1. I assume with a name like that, it's a concept car. Probably a, to shake out the new tech. You do that from time to time. I really liked this little corner detail here. I think I've done that before, but that's satisfying to see all those pieces fit together like that tight in different angles and everything, for me anyway. And of course I did the, what is it? Those rims. Or those rims. I think I like the 5-spoke better. So it's a personal preference thing. I don't know. In the grand scheme of things, it doesn't really matter. It's just, like I said, that's just for this car and this design. I'm feeling the 5-spoke. Let me know what you think. But and then got our test driver. She's got, I don't think I've ever had the ball cap and ponytail on any Lego figure. I know I haven't, as a matter of fact. Got a silver wrench instead of the regular black one. Little details on her jacket, I guess, race suit, track suit, whatever you call it. Come on. Look at her, not me. Well, it does say AMG on the back. I just don't know if I'm going to be able to get it to focus. Let's try it. There it goes. There we go. Got the AMG logo on the back. Zipper and details and stuff on the front. Just gotta. And I think she's ready to roll with her ball cap, and go ahead and drop her in place with, where I put her helmet in the passenger seat, the wrench too. And, all right. So she's good to go. Yeah, the hats makes it too big, but it doesn't. The door don't quite, the canopy don't quite close on it. But anyway, that's that one. Having fun. I'm going to be doing, the rest of the week's going to be technically WWE wrestlers, but when they were released, they were WWF wrestlers. I've got a bunch of those stacked up, and I'm going to go through them this week. That was another collection I had as a child. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. There's plenty more to go where all this came from. And I'll see you next time.